This video is part 5 of our CAD project, creating the military headphones. And in this video, we're going to look at using the shell tool, which hollows out the inside of a body. And this is quite useful because then it means we can put components and other bodies inside it. And then we're also going to look at how to use a section analysis to look at a cross section of a body that we've created. So let's see how they look in Fusion. So now that we've got a bit more of a body and a design going for our earpiece, we're going to now hollow this main body out. So before we do that, we need to hide the bodies that we're not currently needing. So in our browser on the left, if we click on the arrow, it drops down the menu and it shows us the bodies that we've created so far. So body 1 is the one that we're going to need. So if we click on the Show Hide button next to the other bodies, we can temporarily make those bodies hidden. And it just means that the features that we're creating and using aren't going to affect those bodies. So as said, we're going to shell out this body. So if we click Shell at the top, now what we need to do is tell Fusion the faces and bodies that are going to create our wall. So we're going to select this body as well as this one. And if we rotate it around, we need to make sure we're selecting all the faces as well. Otherwise, they'll be cut out from our design. Once we've got all of our faces selected, we need to decide on the inside thickness of our walls. So we need to be sensible when we're doing this. We need to think about the structure. So it needs to be strong enough to withstand whatever its purpose is, but you can't make it too big, otherwise you're not going to be able to fit any features inside it. So we're going to go for about 4 or 5 mil for the thickness of this wall. And then we're going to type in our value and then click OK. So you can't really see what's gone on there, and that's why we're going to use the section analysis. So we're going to click on our Inspect drop-down menu and we're going to select Section Analysis. Now we're going to select our face as our front one. From here we can drag it along and we can see that our body has now been hollowed out. So I'm going to put this about halfway through and I'm going to click OK. Now before you panic, this hasn't actually cut away any of our body. It's just given us a different view to look at it. So to get rid of it, again, go to your browser and simply click the Show or Hide button. Then we're going to show our bodies again. So now we should be near enough finished with our earpiece. So we've made our comfort piece going around. We've made our main body that's now been shelled out so other components can be fixed. And we've developed our hinge point. So in our next video, we're going to start looking towards making other parts of our headphones.